Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face to Face to Online Transition. Today, we will be looking at how to add a quick poll, quiz, survey, or even a rating to your Microsoft Stream video. You can make your videos more engaging by adding these quick, small features. Some of the common uses are collecting feedback from your class or asking them a quick quiz, like a hands on activity. These are used when you're teaching online or even in class or even flipped learning. So without a further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to go ahead and click on my content and my videos right here. Just give it a second to populate. I'm going to click on my sample video. So here I am in my sample video. This is a quick 20-second video that I created, and I turned off the audio so it doesn't interrupt with my audio while I'm recording this. And as you can see on the timeline, you see a dot right here that says sample question. So the number of dots on your video kind of represent the number of questions and where the questions are. So let me go ahead and show you how this looks. So I'm going to go ahead and play it, and please keep in mind the audio is turned off. And it's coming to the question. Boom, the question pops up and it says, did you wash your hands? And you will go ahead and submit yes or no. I'm just going to go ahead and say yes, and I'm going to submit it. It's going to take a second to populate. And it says, thanks, your response was submitted, and I will continue with the video. And then the video continues. So how did I add this question? So let me go ahead and show that to you. I'm going to pause this. And as you can see on my right hand side, I have transcript and I have interactivity. So I'm going to go ahead and click on interactivity. And as you can see, I have a sample question. You can actually go ahead and view your question, and your question pops up right here. But I'm going to show you how to add another one. So I'm going to click add form. If you already have a form or a quick poll or a quiz, you can simply copy the URL, but I'm going to show you how to go ahead and create one. I'm going to click on this. It's going to take me to Microsoft Forms. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to create a new form rather than a quiz for today. So here I am. It takes me to the new form, and I am going to go ahead and name the form because I'm planning to create a rating for the video. So I'm just going to say, was this helpful with a question mark? I'm going to say rate the video. Ugh, I can't spell rate the video. And I'm going to add a question. It's not going to be a multiple choice. It's going to be a rating. So I'm just going to say, please rate the video. And it's up to you if you want to make your questions required. You can go ahead and select this tab. And again, when this form or rating pops up, students can bypass this, but if they see it's required, they know they have to take this in order for them to be graded or in order for you to collect the feedback. So now I'm going to simply go ahead and say required. I'm going to go ahead and share it. And you have an option. Only people in your org can respond, or anyone with the link can respond. For me, I only want the people in my org to respond. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this option and copy my link. Once it's copied, I'm going to go back to Microsoft Stream, and I will go ahead and see where do I want this video. I'm going to scroll my timeline because I'm asking them to rate the video. I want it all the way in the end. I'm going to go ahead and make sure my timeline is all the way in the end, 20 seconds, 26 seconds actually. And I'm going to go ahead and paste my URL. And the name of the form is going to be rate the video, and the timeline is 26 seconds. And I'm going to simply go ahead and add it to the timeline. And once it's added, I will go ahead and play the video again. I'm going to forward this. Oops, continue with your video. And I'm going to forward it all the way up to here. And then the form should pop up, the rating should pop up, and it actually tells you, hi Bhavani, which is my name. When you submit the form, the owner will be able to see your name and your email address. And is that okay? I'm going to say yes. and I'm going to rate my video 5 stars, and I'm going to go ahead and submit it. And once I submit it, it's going to say, thanks, your response was submitted, and you continue with your video. Now, when I scroll back again, and I play my video, I can actually bypass those questions. Students don't have to answer it. They have an option to bypass. So what they can do, if they bypassed it for whatever reason, they can always come back and click on this interactivity tab, and they can click on the questions, and they can actually take the questions even though they have bypassed them during the video. So that's a cool feature. So if you are collecting a feedback, or if it's a quiz, you might want to mention it to your students that your interactivity is on the tab right here, and you are collecting feedback or grading them on those questions. And to check your responses, you can always go back to your Microsoft Forms and simply click on the form and click on responses. And as you can see, I'm the only one who responded. You can go ahead and see how many people responded, more details. Bhavani Kola, this is my name. So I'm the only one who responded as of now. So it shows my name here, and my response was 5 stars. But if you have many more people responding, you can actually look at those responses in your Excel file, or simply click view response and you can take a look at that. I really enjoyed this feature. I hope you do too. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment, and hope this helps. Thank you and happy teaching.